Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's set to transform our kitchens. Yes, we're talking about the new Samsung Food app unveiled at IFA 2023. Stick around because this is about to get deliciously high-tech. Remember back in 2016 when Samsung launched their smart fridge with an Android tablet? It was considered more of a gimmick back then, a phablet fridge, if you will. But Samsung has come a long way, and their latest innovation is here to prove it. Introducing Samsung Food, a revolutionary app that could usher in a whole new era for the smart kitchen. This isn't just shiny tech for the sake of it. It brings together recipes, ingredients, and smart appliances in a way we've never seen before. During my demo at IFA 2023, I scanned some salmon and a pot of basil using the Samsung Food app. Instantly, it suggested several recipes from its massive database of 160,000 options. A few taps, and I had a customized recipe. Low-fat, quick and easy, even with a Mexican twist. Next, the app guided me step-by-step through the cooking process. What's cool? It wirelessly synced my cooking settings to a nearby Samsung oven. No more fiddling with knobs and settings myself. This integration makes the cooking experience not just smart, but incredibly smooth. Imagine snapping a picture of your ingredients and getting a recipe tailored to your preferences like magic. Samsung Food is not just about recipes. It's your central hub for managing meal plans, shopping lists, and it even integrates with Samsung's SmartThings platform. SmartThings compatibility means you can send cooking instructions to your smart oven to preheat, adjust temperatures during the cook, or set the correct cooking time, all without lifting a finger. Here's where it gets really interesting. Samsung Food leverages generative AI to take care of those mundane tasks we all dread. Creating meal plans, building grocery lists, even the shopping itself. Imagine this, you collect all the recipes you want to make for the week, either from Samsung Food, your favorite website, or even Granny's cookbook. The AI takes over, standardizes the format, then creates a shopping list. In a few taps, you've ordered everything from your local grocery store. And at launch, it's going to work flawlessly with the Samsung Bespoke Wall Oven. But that's just the beginning. More devices are on the way, including your cooktop, microwave, and even the Family Hub refrigerator. Samsung, as a founding member of the Home Connectivity Alliance, is pushing for interoperability. This means you'll be able to use the app with non-Samsung appliances too. LG and Vestel are initially on board, and more are following suit. Here's another cool feature. Future AI updates will recognize food items from photos. Just point your camera at a dish, and the AI will identify the ingredients and provide nutritional information. Scan a meal at a restaurant, and it'll show you how to make that dish at home, even suggesting healthier tweaks. Meal planning can be a huge time saver, especially for families. I spend at least an hour a week just to prep meals for my family of 4. If Samsung Food can consistently save me that time, it's already a game changer. There's more. Later this year, Samsung plans to integrate Samsung Health. Imagine meal plans tailored specifically to your BMI, body composition, and calorie consumption. This is personalized health at your fingertips. Head of SmartThings, Jay and Young, and Whisk founder Nick Holzer have exciting insights. They talk about how AI has rapidly evolved and how Samsung Food aims to make our cooking experiences as seamless as possible. It's not just about saving time, but making our lives easier and healthier. What if your app could recognize your favorite dish, adapt it for a healthier lifestyle, and guide you through the cooking process step by step? That's exactly where we're headed. So, is Samsung Food the future of our kitchens? With its AI capabilities and seamless integration with smart appliances, it sure looks promising. We're just scratching the surface of what's possible. I'm always working on improving the quality of our videos and building a community where we can share and learn together. Your support and feedback mean the world to me, so don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting content about AI and tech innovations right here on All About AI Tech. Until next time, keep exploring the future.